Under the new auto no-fault law, will no longer have guaranteed lifetime coverage for medical or rehabilitation expenses. It's a big change. Tom Sinas is here with us now to discuss the change, but also the options that are available, Tom. So let's talk about this. Why is no-fault coverage for this type of thing important? What is it? Why is it good to have?
Well, thanks, Doug. You know, this is the second of the series that we're doing about the changes that Michigan consumers are going to have to encounter and the choices that they're going to have to make under this law, this section of the law that's being phased in over the summer. So what we're talking about today are people's no-fault benefits. Last week, we introduced the concept that there are no-fault benefits on the one hand, which are benefits that people receive who are in car accidents regardless of fault. And then there are separate claims for liability referring to a claim against another driver. Today, we're talking about no-fault benefits. Why are these so important? Well, because under Michigan law, and this is still true, it is the no-fault benefits that provides the thing that people need the most after a car accident, which is access to medical care. And no-fault benefits cover everything from hospitalizations, surgeries, inpatient therapy, outpatient therapy, home care, and so on. And these no-fault benefits have been available to all Michigan consumers since the 1970s. And the rule up until now was that anyone involved in a car accident had access to these no-fault benefits and that there wasn't a monetary limitation on these benefits. Now, consumers are going to be forced to make a choice. They can still choose a level of coverage that doesn't have a monetary limitation. We call that an uncapped policy. Some people call it an unlimited policy. It's the one that people have been accustomed to for all these years. But every Michigan consumer actually is going to have the opportunity to select something less than that. They can choose to have a no-fault benefit coverage that provides a limit of $500,000 for the medical expense component of their coverage, or they can go even lower and they can choose to elect a coverage that has only $250,000 for those medical expense coverages. So people are going to have to be deciding over the next few months whether they want to keep that unlimited coverage, which really operates like health insurance, or whether they want to take the risk and lower their coverage and therefore have less coverage for medical expenses after an auto accident.
Yeah, and this is the first time this is, so a lot of people are going to have to be making this decision in about 50 years. So there is a lot to know, Tom. Where can people find out more information? I know you guys have done a deep dive of this. Where can people get that info?
Right, so go to our website, www.sinusdramus.com, and in particular, on the website and on the homepage, we have a publication that just came out. It's called Making Smart Choices, a summary guide to the new auto no-fault law. It's focused for consumers to help people understand the different options and make the decision that they think is best. It also has our recommendations for what we think are the safest and best forms of coverage to protect you and your family. People can also find us by email at info@sinusdramus.com or give us a call the old-fashioned way at 616-301-3333.
All right, Tom Sinas from Sinas Dramus Law Firm. We appreciate you taking the time from home today, Tom.
Thanks, Doug.